Good morning and welcome to Thursday Science. Well, it's not morning for you guys when you're watching this, it'll be afternoon. But I wanted you to work on asking questions to compare and contrast characteristics of an instant or an inherited behavior and learned behavior. All right. So in your notebooks, create your notice and wonder chart. Can even go back to what you did on Tuesday for your notice and wonder. Look at one of your wonder questions and see if it helps you to answer whether or not this behavior that you see, whether it was learned or is it an instinct. It is something that the animal is able to do because it was born that way with that ability. Okay. All right, here's what we're going to do today, friends. We're going to look at the behavior. We're going to read what it is shared. And then at your tables, or you can pick three friends, and you and the three friends can watch the video together and then pause the video. You're going to look at what the fish or the animal. You're going to read the reading, and then after you read the reading, you all are going to come up with questions that will help you to know whether this behavior is learned or if it is instincts. Okay? So you and three friends, so that means four people in the group, you're going to write questions, and then you're going to talk about whose question is the best question to help answer or get us to the place where we know if this behavior is an instinct or a learned behavior. So we have the tank fish. It says tank fish lay eggs in the water above coral reefs. Parents leave the eggs once they are laid. About 1 day later, the eggs hatch. Tank fish can live more than 30 years in the wild. Now, based on that information and the behavior that the tank fish learning how to swim, what questions can you ask that will help us to determine whether or not the tank fish is really learning this or is this an instinct? Okay, pause the video, write your questions, talk with your neighbors, your small group, and then once you've decided on which is the best question, note it on your papers, and then you will unpause the video. Here's the sheet that you're going to all fill your questions out on, and then right in the middle, you'll write the question that you guys think is the best. Okay? Human swimming. I want you to pause the video, read the information. Once you finish reading the information, you will get together in your groups. Each person by yourself will come up with a question that will help you to determine which is this a learned or instincts behavior. And then you all will choose again. And then here's another one. The behaviors that children feeling scared when they have to go to the doctor's office. Here's a vaccine schedule, and here's what they're saying about the vaccine schedule. Write your questions, choose the best question. Last one. A porcupine reacts when approached by a predator. Here's a picture. Here's what we say. scientists say. Now, choose your question and then choose your best question from the group. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once you're finished, um, you this should take the entire science time. If it doesn't, in the science social studies library, there are books about plants and seeds and animals. Please take one and read.